What's up, team? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up My Canal. So in today's video, we're going to be making aloe vera gel hair mask. I'm making these ingredients for both my daughters. So if it looks like it's too much, it's because I'm making it for two people. It all depends on how long and thick your hair is. You can add more or add less ingredients. All depends on your hair, but I'm making this for two people, so that's the reason why I'm using that much of ingredients. So after, I'm just going to blend everything together. As you guys saw in the video, I removed the aloe vera gel out of the skin. I'm going to use my hair growth oil, and this hair growth oil is a mixture of different oil and different herbs. I actually make this myself, and I have been using my own personal oil on my hair, on my kids' hair, and I've seen some really great results. And I use herbs to make my hair, to make my oil. So I'm just going to blend everything together. It's quite liquidy, so this process is quite a messy process, but if you properly just wrapped your hair with some plastic and put towel around, everything will be fine. So to make the process easy for me to apply, I'm going to be using this container. So this is actually container of the ordinary glycolic acid I use, and it was finished, so I decided to just use the container as an application bottle for this process. As you guys can see, it's very foamy, but like after the foam has set down, you will actually see the liquid. So I'm just going to put the one I'm using, and I'm going to put the remaining one in that container, and I'm going to keep on filling the bottle if I need more. So now let's jump into the bathroom. So this is what my daughter's hair looks like. Her hair has been up on a high ponytail now for the whole week, and she didn't want to braid the hair. She just wanted to have like a high pony. So I was like, okay, since you don't want to do your hair, let's just do what you want. But then I was like, it's time to get your hair braided in a protective hairstyle, because this pony hairstyle leaves your hair dry, even though I try my best to moisturize and spray the hair with some rosemary water that I made. But I was thinking it's time to do some deep conditioner, some hair mask treatment. So that's what I was doing. So I'm just pressing the product into the hair. It was a little bit messy. I didn't want to comb the hair, because after the deep treatment, I'm going to do like a little bit of deep condition detangling with my hand, and then later on, when it's time to wash the hair, I will use some conditioner and kind of detangle the hair properly, because she wasn't really feeling to do the hair this week. So and I didn't want to fuss. So I'm just trying to like go with the flow. So I was like, okay, we just put the product, and later on we do deep detangling with, I'm going to do deep detangle with my hand, and then when it's time to wash the hair, before washing the hair, I will use some conditioner and use a wild tooth comb and detangle it much better. And she was quite okay with that. So yeah. So this is what I'm doing. As you guys can see, her hair is long, her hair is grown pretty, and I've been really doing my best to make sure I at least do deep conditioner, do other things to her hair, try to keep her hair healthy, and try my possible best to use mostly natural products, and trying to use mostly like homemade stuff. Sometimes I do have like deep conditioner hair mask at home for the days that I don't really feel like doing DIY. I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to have like a lazy day hair treatment, and I will use like deep conditioner that I purchased from the store. I do have those ones lying down. But most of the time, I really like to DIY my own product and just use that on her hair. And I really see some really great results when you when I DIY and use natural products or use herbs. I see some really, really great results. And the rosemary water that I have been using as a leave-in spray, you know how you have this leave-in conditioner hairspray. So instead of buying leave-in conditioner hairspray, I make my own rosemary water that I use as a leave-in conditioner hairspray. So, for example, the whole of this week, she wasn't in the mood to do the hair. She just wanted to have the hair on a pony, like a high pony. So, what I was doing to maintain, to make sure the hair doesn't look like frizzy, to make sure the hair stay moisturized, I boiled some rosemary water and I add some oil in it. I add my hair growth oil and some peppermint oil and tea tree oil just to add it as a preserver. And that was what I was using the whole of the week on her hair. I was using that to spray her hair, and also sometimes I do take off the pony down and moisturize the hair and put it back again into pony for a whole week. That was what we were doing because she was not just in the mood of doing the hair. So now I'm just really trying to massage the products into her hair, massage everything very well. One thing, if you're using egg as a deep conditioner, when it's time to wash the hair, don't use hot water. First, try to rinse the products with cold water, and then later you can go in with lukewarm water, not too warm, not too cold, because if you use hot water on your hair whilst you use egg, you're going to have a lot of white residue on your hair because the egg is going to cook. I've had an experience, so I'm saying this out of experience, long time ago when I started all this deep conditioner with egg and everything, and I washed it was my own personal hair, and I washed my hair with warm water. Oh my God, the egg cooked in my hair and it was not funny. So now what I'm trying to show her hair. I'm going to wrap into a plastic bag, and then I'm going to give her towels because it's quite a messy process. So she's going to be wrapping her head with towels, and she's going to just sit down and watch movies. So I'm going to leave this in. You can leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes, but she was watching a movie and she was like, "Come, can I just watch my movie?" And I was like, "Okay, you can finish watching the movie." So I leave it in for like 30 minutes or 35 minutes, longer than that. And after that, I just wash the hair. So you guys can see it's liquidy, it's messy, it's a really messy process. So doing this, you got to make sure you really wrap your head. So that's the reason why I'm using an extra towel. And I'm also the towel that she's using to wrap her skin, the big towel, I'm also going to let her just hold that, like just wrap it around her neck. We were home, we're not going anywhere, so she was watching a movie, and I just let her just sit down in the living room with the towel around her neck and just like what cleaning her, and she was like, okay. So yeah, after a few hours later, I gave her like a clean towel so you guys can see. I gave her a clean towel to put around her neck, and yeah, let her sit down, leave the product while she was downstairs, and I'm just busy cleaning. I know I'm always cleaning. Normally, she's like, can you please finish the hair before cleaning? So I did her hair, and I'm trying to get the products ready to do my older daughter, the younger one. And that one, I'm not making any video because that girl is not in the mood of making videos. She doesn't really want to do the hair. Doing her hair is a process, like it's a process. So after 35 minutes later, I'm about to wash the hair. So the conditioner you guys are seeing there, that is the conditioner I use to detangle. So I use the conditioner and I use that wild tooth comb and I detangle the hair, and that was it. After that, I did like two big braids. I pat the hair in the middle and I do two big braids, and that was it because she was not feeling she was just not feeling to do the hair, so I try to do something very simple. So now I like to go with some oils on the end. I like to go with my hair growth oil and like really put the oil into the head, into the scalp, and just massage it very well. And then later I just rinse it out with water. Even though I'm rinsing it out, the oil is still in the head, but I just like to do this. This is something I like doing. um and I just love the way the hair looks. It just feels really, really soft. So yeah, this was it. And I just washed the hair, and later I just like put it in a very simple protective hairstyle. So yeah, this is it. And I really love the way her hair feels. Her hair feels really, really soft. It feels really beautiful. And she was happy. I was happy, even though she was not in the mood. But I try to just do what she wants, And if she's not in the mood, I just let her be. I just put her hair in a pony and try to do other things to make sure the hair stays healthy. And yeah, so today was that day. She was not in the mood of doing any protective hairstyle. So yeah, just wash the hair and leave it. And so yeah, this was it. Hopefully you all like this video. Team Fullest, if you do, please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Peace out.